Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy gloves in slap battles. First, let's set up your game for success. You'll want to ensure your settings are optimized for quick movement and interaction. We'll focus on gloves that require minimal effort or specific achievements that are straightforward to complete. This method is designed for players looking to expand their glove collection without extensive grinding. Get ready to boost your inventory quickly and efficiently. Now, let's dive into some simple strategies. Many easy gloves are unlocked by performing basic actions, like getting a small number of slaps or interacting with specific in-game objects. Some gloves are even given just for joining the game or reaching a very low slap count. Prioritize these quick wins to build your initial glove collection. This approach minimizes time investment while maximizing your early game progress. Certain game modes can also be a goldmine for easy gloves. Keep an eye out for modes designed for quick challenges or those that reward participation rather than skill. Sometimes, limited-time events introduce gloves that are surprisingly simple to acquire. Teaming up with friends can also make some objectives much easier to complete, speeding up your glove collection process significantly. Always check event announcements for new opportunities. To maximize your glove gains, always stay informed about game updates. Developers often add new gloves, and some of these might be incredibly easy to get initially. Practice your basic movement and slapping to complete objectives faster. Don't forget to explore every corner of the map. Sometimes, hidden areas contain simple challenges leading to new gloves. With these tips, you'll be expanding your glove collection effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.